Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel DigiLearnersPoint. In today's video we are going to solve the GDP of FIN611 and it has total marks 5 and its closing date is Thursday 2nd June 2022. Let's move to this question description. Small business organizations generally do not have the time and expertise necessary required to maintain a full setup accounting record using a double entry system. As you know, small business organizations have no much enough resources, national resources that allow him or permit him to have an accountant to look after their business affairs. Further, organizations also cannot afford to outsource record keeping of their national and other business matters. As we already discussed that small business don't have much national resources and it is a restriction on such small business that they also cannot afford outsource facility to maintain their national records and other business matters. As an alternative, such organizations maintain incomplete accounting records, which is also known as single entry bookkeeping system. Consequently, such organization has such form of records, which is also known as single entry bookkeeping system. As every business organization is interested to know its earn profit from time to time, but owing to inability to maintain complete set of accounting records, correct amount of profit cannot be ascertained. As like every businesses, these small businesses are so interested to know how much they are going to earn profit during the year or time by time, but they have no ability to ascertain profit because of the incomplete records that they are maintaining. However, these are there are two methods under which such organizations can ascertain their periodic profit accurate to the greater extent. But there are two methods which help him uh, means small business organization to ascertain their periodic profit to the great uh, extent of accuracy. Briefly describe these two methods, quoting suitable example for each method. So let's move. So we are going to highlight the two methods which are used to determine the profit of a small organization. Uh, so each method has 2.5 marks and total is equal to 5 marks. So let's move to the our solution. So there are two methods. One method is the balance sheet approach, net worth approach, also known as statement of affairs method. In case of small business, following statement or format is used to figure out the income or profit, profit. As we know that this element is the part of the accounting equation, as we know that accounting equation is equal to asset is equal to liability plus owner equity. As it here the case is small businesses, so we can use the word capital instead of owner's equity. So I will use capital equity. So due to this it little bit change, so I will make some adjustment. So here we first our element is owner's capital equity, owner or capital equity closing balance. This amount is there xxx, which can be anything else. Add, we are going to add back drawings during the years which has carried out by the owner. So also this one, these two are added. Now we are going to list two component: owner's equity opening balance at the start of the years and induction of fresh capital if owner hasn't reduced any fresh capital for the growth of the business. So we are going to less also this. After solving this four components, net profit for the year balancing figure. Who will sort out this profit for the small business is account consultant. This is a situation where account consultant asks him the small business owner to bring four components which are closing balance of owner's capital or equity and its drawing, opening balance of an owner or capital equity or induction of fresh capital. This is the first method. Now the second approach or method is transaction approach It is also known as conversion method. These are the small businesses which have enough financial sources to maintain double entry system to some extent. So later or they have enough financial sources to hire a accountant to perform all these uh, accounting affairs and other business affairs. So necessary documents required in conversion methods are a cash book. Sorry, this numbering is automatically adjusted as per this number. So you assign this as per your own style. Necessary documents required in conversion method, as we already discussed that, and these small business have enough resources to have an accountant to perform all these activities on the basis of double entry system to some extent. So which kind of books they are required? For simplicity, I just mentioned 5 books here: cash book, debtor books, account receivable ledgers, creditors, account payable ledgers, statement of affairs opening that we have discussed above, and year-end adjustment. So as a result, the accountant has ability to get out in the net profit for the current period of the audit period. I hope you have understand this solution. If you have any query, please drop your question or suggestion in comment section. If you want to add anything else or you want to discuss anything on this solution, please come up with your opinion or suggestion in comment section. If you like this video useful, please hit the like button. Must subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button as well. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.